the game. It's a rich thing.
So this has been boiling. So I'm about to put my fufu. They give you some direction here, but listen, any directions. So when I put the water boiled, I put sea salt, I put a little bit of butter and scallion and garlic. So before I mix it, I remove the scallion and the garlic. The reason it's just to give it a little bit of flavor, and the reason I put the butter, I didn't want it to like stick, just to be smooth. That's why. This thing, the little spoon was not cutting it, so I had to switch up to this little tool right here, which we call a mash pillow. I don't know how you call it in English. So, and I had to put it on the floor and like beat the living bubble out of this thing. I don't want it to have any lumps, anything. That's a bad tom-tom. Si on tom-tom gen boule la dedans, pas tom-tom. Whoa. I never made tom-tom avec banana. Banana is plantain. Green plantain. And sweet plantain called fig. Or like banana. But this is like the lame véritable. Breadfruit. My gosh. Normally when we use like a bigger pilon to do it, we have some bowl with water so it doesn't stick to this. Don't worry guys, this is supposed to be a little bit thicker. Well, I never made Tomtom and I avec banana with plantain, so my first time, so I think I did okay. Because you're supposed to be able to like take a piece and like take it apart, and this is a little bit too sticky, so I should have put more, but it's fine. This is not supposed to eat it with no fork, with no spoon, with your hand. Okay? Okay,
See, I was supposed to do it like a little bit more thick so you could be like roll it in your hands. This is not really. I should have put more. Oh, it's hot. This is the fish.
Guys, this is it. That was me making tom. I hope you guys
So good.
enjoyed this video
And this
as
is the
much as
crab.
I was enjoyed this tom. Let me know in the comment section below how you think I did, and if you're a person who hates tom or who likes tom. If you miss it, oh my gosh, I missed this so bad. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I really appreciate every one of you for watching and subscribing to my channel. Have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day and a weekend. And I will see you on the next video.